Okay, in this video, we're going to take a look at using the Google Keep web app to have students create homework lists with location and time reminders. Now, as our district gets closer and closer to being one-to-one, students will have the expectation to log in on a Chromebook in virtually every class that they walk into. And since our student planners usually get misused and abused, through usually before the end of the first quarter, Google Keep is a great digital tool for kids to keep track of their homework. They can make a little to-do list every day that reminds them at a certain time or at a location if they're using the mobile app. So let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like. So we'll start here where it says take note, and we'll give it a title. We'll call this homework list. And we want to set this with some check boxes for to make it into a to-do list. So we'll hit the three little dots right here. We'll go to show checkboxes. And now I'm going to have a bulleted list, but instead of bullets, we're going to have checkboxes. So let's say math class, we have to do page 120, numbers 1 through 34 even. Let's say in social studies, read chapter 5. And throughout the day that they get to the ELA class, they may have to write an essay. And we'll throw in some avid homework if they're an avid student. Take Cornell notes on college article. All right, so let's say throughout the day, this is the list they came up with. This is the classes that assigned them homework. So they would simply click right here on the reminder button, and we can choose to pick date and time or pick place. So we'll do the date and time. There's some default ones that you can choose to make it easy, or if there's a specific time where the student wants to do their homework, and they can set the date. So today is April 1st. We'll say that we want them to do their homework tonight, and you can do morning, evening, afternoon, which gives you some default ones there, or you can go to custom and be very specific. So let's say at 6:30 p.m. I wanted to be reminded to do my homework. I could have it to this one to repeat every day. So if I have this to repeat daily, that 6:30 p.m. I need to, my phone will remind me to do my homework. If I don't have homework, great. If not, it always reminds me. I click on save, and now it says right here, repeats daily at 6:30 p.m. I can see what time it's going to remind me. This note will pop up if I have the app open on my phone, or if I have the web app open um, on my computer. This works very. It, you get the maximum effect of Google Keep if you have the companion app on the mobile device, because then wherever you go, you don't have to be in front of your computer to get the reminders. And the way Google's working out now, a lot of these reminders will also show up in your Google Calendar. So I could also change this to a location reminder. So you hit the back button, and I can say pick a place. So let's say put an address in here. So I'm gonna put I'll put my old address from college. There it is. And when I actually get there, if I'm using the mobile device, my mobile device will remind me as soon as using the phone's GPS. It will pop up on my phone as well. So hopefully this video has been helpful. It showed us how we've learned how to create a checklist on Google Keep, how to set a time and location reminder. And again, I will reiterate that Google Keep works better if you have the app also on your phone. So whatever you set here on the computer will also, those changes and settings will be reflected on your phone. And your phone, since it goes everywhere with you, it's a great way to take advantage of the time and location based reminders.